Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can solve this difficult problem, which is 9 divided by 3 parentheses 4 minus 1. If you are genius then comment, and if you are student then follow me. Okay, so before the starting video, kindly subscribe my channel for more video, and press the bell icon for more informative video. So 9 divided by 3, mostly people it can write it as which is the right method. Before we should know, according to PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Dear student, parentheses have higher priority than other operation, and multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So in this expression, firstly we can solve parentheses. So 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3, time 3 divided by 9. Okay student, so we should all know about KCF, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. So we can write it as 9 multiply by 1 divided by 3 times 3. Okay student, so here 3 and 9 cancel with each other and it can become as 3 times 3. Okay student, so 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Student, this is our final answer of this expression. I hope you all are understand. If anywhere you can face an issue in this expression, then kindly comment. I will reply your answer, and please subscribe my channel for more amazing and interesting videos. Thanks a lot.